These orange Greek yogurt muffins are bursting with citrus flavor. They're super fluffy and you can whip them up in no time. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make my favorite orange Greek yogurt muffins. They're bright, they're moist, and they're packed with zesty flavor. Now, to make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so to make our orange Greek yogurt muffins, it's a two-step process really. We're gonna start with our dry ingredients in one bowl. So to this bowl, I have some whole wheat flour. That's really gonna give it some heartiness. And then we're gonna add some all-purpose flour. To that, I'm gonna add some granulated sugar, some baking powder, baking soda, and just a little bit of salt to bring it all together. Now we're going to start adding our orange flavor here, and I have just a regular navel orange, and I'm going to zest the whole thing. Now the easiest way to zest it is to use a microplane like this one, and you just want to run it over. You don't want to go down into the white because that gets a little bitter. So just zest this entire orange and right into the bowl it goes. Oh, it smells so good. This is where the flavor really lies in citrus, is in the peel. So when you zest it, you're really amping up whatever citrus flavor you're cooking or baking with. Okay, looking good. Get all that orange zest off the back. See how it sticks back here? I'm gonna get that off. Yum-o. Don't leave any flavor behind. Okay, so that's it for our dry ingredients. We're gonna give this a whisk just to kind of bring those all together. And that's it. We'll set this aside and we're gonna move on to our wet ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to start on the wet ingredients for our muffins, and it starts with the rest of this orange. So I'm just gonna get the juice out of that. I love these vintage juicers. I think this is either my mother-in-law's or my grandma's, I can't remember. So we're looking for about a 1/4 cup of orange juice. I remember when I was little, my grandmother lived in Florida and she had this orange tree, and we used to have fresh squeezed orange juice every morning when we were there. Just those little memories. All right, we're looking for a 1/4 cup. Let's see, can I read from the back? I can. I'm gonna hold back some of that pulp, but it's okay if some of it squeezes. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. I couldn't have planned that better if I tried. Okay. Fresh squeezed orange juice. Check. Just look at that beautiful color too. Wow. Okay. Greek yogurt is next. The plain kind. No flavors here. Plain Greek yogurt. Okay. To this we're going to add a couple of eggs. 1 and 2. Alrighty. Next up, some vanilla. This I always measure with my heart. About a teaspoon. That looks good. And then some lemon extract. Just a little bit. About 1/8 of a teaspoon. Not too much. We don't want to explode the lemon flavor in there. And I'm going to whisk this first before I add in the last ingredient. I just want to get those eggs broken up and mixed in with the yogurt. So here I have some butter that I've melted and cooled slightly. You don't want to put it in here screaming hot because you might end up with scrambled eggs. So it's cooled just a little bit, and I'm going to whisk that all together. Ooh, that citrus smells so good. All right, looking good. We're going to bring our dry ingredients back in, and we're going to transfer our wet ingredients into that bowl. get those all in there. Okay. And then just gently stir it together. There's really no need to use a mixer here. You can pretty much do this by hand. You don't want to over mix it because our muffins will be tough. So just go in with a gentle arm. I love recipes that you get to mix by hand because sometimes you just get away from that with all the, all the tools that we have at our disposal. It's just nice to make stuff truly by hand. And you just want to make sure all the dry is incorporated. We're not looking to get rid of any lumps or anything like that. It will be a little lumpy, and that's okay. The goal is to not over mix this batter. Okay, this looks perfect. There's no streaks of egg or streaks of flour. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna get our muffin tin and get these all scooped up. Okay, so I have a muffin pan here with the cupcake liners in it. And I'm just using a scoop. I like to use a scoop when doing cupcakes and muffins because that way I'm sure I get the same amount in each one. No guessing here. Okay, so our muffins are scooped. I'm gonna pop these into the oven. We're gonna let them cool and then we are gonna dive into these. Okay, so our muffins are out. They've cooled slightly, but not too much because I do like a warm muffin. But these check all the boxes. They're light, they're fluffy, and there's hints of orange in every single bite. And the Greek yogurt really gives it that little bit of something something. They also freeze beautifully. So if you make a big batch, you can save some for later. So I've been waiting all afternoon to taste these, so I'm going in. Peel back. Oh, they're so warm. Okay. Look at this. That's beautiful. Told you they're still toasty. Oh, the orange flavor. From the juice and the zest. These are just perfect. You guys, just needs a little bit of butter. Maybe like a sprinkle. I maybe put a little cinnamon on it. But that's just me. Oh, these are fantastic. These Greek yogurt orange muffins are definitely a keeper. If you love these, you have to try my old-fashioned blueberry muffins next. They're just as easy with that classic homemade taste. You'll want to make them over and over again. You can check them out here. I'll see you over there.